Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to hide the birthday in line. Now let us begin. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right you can see a gear like icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, you will be redirected to this page. Now from here, all you guys need to do is click on the very first button that you're gonna see, that is profile. Click on it. And that is it guys. Almost at the very bottom, you can see an option like this, that is birthday. Click on it. And that is it guys. From here, you can simply change your birthday. And the thing we are looking for is this button called as show my birthday. Simply toggle off this button right here. And that is it guys. That's how we hide your birthday in line. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. Well, do you know that you can simply hide or show your birth here? You just have to toggle this button on and off. Well guys, that is it. That is how you hide your birthday in line. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.